Hello students, today we will start with the new chapter, that is chapter 3a, acids, bases and salts. Acids, bases and salts. First we'll start with acids. An acid is a compound which when dissolved in water, when it is dissolved in water, it gives us hydronium ion or H plus ion. H plus or hydronium ion as the only positively charged ions. See, HCl, when it is dissociating, it is giving H plus ions and Cl minus ion. This H plus when it combines with water molecule which is present over there, because substance it is dissolved in water, so obviously water molecules are present there, and when this acid it get dissociated to give H plus and Cl minus, this H plus it combines with water to give H3O plus hydronium ion. It means H plus ion and hydronium ion, they both will show acidic character. HCl plus water, it will dissociate to give H3O plus Cl minus, and this H3O plus is responsible for the acidic nature of the acids. Now bases. A base is a compound which reacts with hydronium ion of an acid to give salt and water only. When any metal oxide is taken, metal oxide when it is reacting with HCl, we are getting salt and water. Here in place of metal oxide we have taken the hydroxide of that metal only. See, copper oxide, hydroxide. Here copper hydroxide it is reacting with acid to give salt and water. It means metal oxides and metal hydroxides, they both will act as bases. The main ion which is responsible for basic nature is OH minus. Na, OH, Ca, OH whole twice, C, KOH, NH4, OH. So OH is the ion which is responsible for the basic nature, and H plus or H3O plus ion is responsible for the acidic nature. Bases are oxides or hydroxides of a metal, including ammonium hydroxide. This is the only hydroxide in which metal ion is not present. Metal ion is not present. It is ammonium hydroxide. It has OH only, OH minus, and here NH4 plus ammonium ion is present. Except this ammonium hydroxide, all the other hydroxides will have metal ions. Metal iron, copper, tin, zinc, lead, all other will have metal ions here. Only ammonium hydroxide, it will have any other positive radical other than any metal ion. Now alkalis. An alkali is a compound. See, now here we'll study the difference between bases and alkalis. An alkali is a compound which when dissolved in water yields hydroxyl ions OH minus as only negatively charged ions. Those bases which are soluble in water, they are called alkalis, and when they get dissolved in water they give hydroxide OH minus and the respective metal ion which is present over here. Alkali is a base which is soluble in water. Alkali is a base which is soluble in water, and see, all alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkalis, because alkalis are only those bases which are soluble in water, but bases it includes alkalis as well as those bases also which are insoluble in water. So all alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkalis. Alkalis, when they are dissolved in water, they dissociate into their respective metal ion and the only OH minus ion. Examples of soluble bases are KOH, NaOH. These are strong alkalis which will dissociate readily to give OH minus ions. And CaOH whole twice, ammonium hydroxide. These are weak alkalis. This was all about the introduction part of acids, bases, and salt. Here we have studied about acids and bases, the simple definitions of acids and bases only, and rest we'll do tomorrow. Thank you.